Hi guys, this is James from Book on Teaching, and this is a short video series about improving your grammar. It's called 10 Steps to Grammar Success, and this is episode 1, using articles. So what this series is about, it's 10 lessons that you can do to improve your grammar. Now this might be for people who are doing functional skills or GCSE and just want to improve their grammar, because you might find that improving your grammar is a skill that you're constantly going to be developing if you are approaching your learning as English as a second language. Okay, it's a very difficult thing to do for many people. So we've got 10 different lessons, and then there'll be a test at the end of the series just to see how much you've learned and to see how much your grammar has actually improved. So articles are words that go before a noun that help us understand the relationship people have with that noun, or people or objects have with that noun. For example, the man patted the cat. So we've got the article the there. Okay, this is a specific article and it shows that the man knows the cat. That means it already has a relationship with the cat. So a noun, just a quick recap, a noun is the name of a person, place or thing. So the difference between a and the. So a is not specific, it refers to a general noun, such as a teacher says to the student, take a seat, gesturing around the room. So that means that the student can take any seat that's in the classroom. Or we could have the example, your friend points to the seat next to you and says, take the seat. Now this is being very specific and it's referring to the seat next to them. So that's how we use the to be specific and then a to be general. When to use an. We use the article an whenever the word that follows it has a vowel sound, but it's really important to know what is a vowel. So a vowel is any of the following letters. So it's A, E, I, O, U and Y. Now a way to remember this is A, E. These are very common letters that they're in a lot of English words. But then we've also got I, O, U, which is like when you owe someone something. So that helped me to remember it when I was first learning this. So we've got the word an apple and we've got an hour. Now these are very different, and you've got to think about the vowel sound, so where the vowel sounds are. So an apple has that vowel sound because it's got that a in front of it, and that gives it the vowel sound. But an hour, now this is really tricky because it actually doesn't begin with a vowel, it's just got that vowel sound. So you've got to think about how you say that word. So the O there gives it the vowel sound, and that can be really tricky when thinking, do I use a or an? So an, a, or the. So I'd like you to just have a go at seeing if you can put the articles in the correct place. Now you can either write it out yourself or you can find a download in the comments below to do this. But if you want to pause the video now for a moment just to have a go, then I can show you the answers in a second. So here you go, here's the answers as promised. So I went for a walk in the park and I saw an apple hanging from the tree. It was a sunny day and I decided to buy an ice cream from the ice cream man. So you'll see that I've got the tree, okay, because it's a tree that's specific, it's one the person can actually see within sight. Back home I had a drink of milk. To my surprise, a cat came in that I didn't know. I shooed the cat away. I didn't want it in my house. Now you'll find that the relationship has changed somewhat. At first it is a cat, because it's a cat we do not know. But since we've been talking about that cat, we then say I shooed the cat, because it's a specific cat that we've been referring to. And that's just one way this can be a little bit confusing. So in the comments below, as I've said before, there's some printouts. So it goes over some of the things that we've covered today, an extra article practice, a mini reading comprehension, and answer sheets for anything that we've looked at today. Okay guys, so even if there's things that we've covered as we're going through the series, you'll find there'll be a glossary and there'll also be a selection of flashcards for you to use for revision when it comes to time of actually doing the mini test. Finally guys, I just want to say thank you for listening. Okay, if you could like and subscribe, that would really help me out. The next lesson is on plurals, and if there's anything that you want me to cover or anything I could do to improve, please just leave a comment in the comment section below. Remember, there are downloads to complete, and yeah, if you've enjoyed this lesson, just let me know, and thanks for listening guys.